So my old hot end on the Ender 5 Pro got all gunked up and it was just knackered. It was the Capricorn tube. So I got off Amazon a new hot end, which is for an Ender 3, but it's a Mark 8, so it's the same one. The only problem is, on the end, the plugs are different. This is on the new one. This is on the old one. So what you have to do is basically chop these, solder them onto the ends of the new cable. Make sure you put some heat shrink on. There's no polarity, so as long as you go red to red, white to white, doesn't matter. And then you're rocking and rolling. The other thing got to be aware of is that the Capricorn tube on the Ender 3 kit is tiny and not big enough for an Ender 5 Pro. So if you use one of them, you're going to have to buy some Capricorn tubing as well, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. So there you go. Quick tip. Cheers for watching.